Grand Rising. If you are a first time viewer, welcome. My name is Joseph Long, and I thank you for tuning in. To my returning viewers, hello, friends, and thank you for your support. This guided meditation practice is designed to guide you in connecting with nature, grounding yourself, and experiencing peace through your surroundings. The meditation will help you become fully present in the natural world, using your senses to deepen the sense of calm, balance, and serenity. For this practice, I encourage you to connect with your sights, sounds, scents, and sensations around you as you ground yourself in the beauty of the environment. This practice offers you an opportunity to slow down and feel the nurturing energy of nature. But before we start the practice, I ask that you please click the like button. It really helps with the algorithms. Thank you. So as you see for this meditation, I'm out here in nature, probably being a little more daring than I need to be. I just saw a sign after I set up out here to watch your surroundings that they may be alligators. So I don't want to be part of the news or some gator's breakfast. So let's get to this. So take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment. Now slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress that you may be holding onto. As you breathe, bring your awareness to the ground beneath you. Feel the stability supporting your body. Imagine roots extending from your feet, traveling deep into the earth below, connecting you with the solid foundation of nature. With each breath you take, feel yourself becoming more grounded, more anchored to the earth. You are supported by the natural world, and you can trust in its strength and steadiness. Let go of any thoughts that try to distract you. With each exhale, release a little more tension. With each breath, allow yourself to become lighter and more at ease. Now begin to expand your awareness to your surroundings. Feel the air against your skin. Is it warm or cool? Is there a gentle breeze or the stillness of a calm day? Tune into the sounds of nature around you. Hear the rustling of the leaves, the chirping of birds, the sound of wind flowing through branches. What other sounds can you hear? maybe the distant call of an animal or the rhythm of a nearby stream. Take a deep breath and inhale the air around you. Notice the scents, whether it's the fragrance of flowers, the earthly smell of the soil, or the refreshing scent of rain or pine. Let these natural aromas calm your mind and settle your thoughts. Feel the temperature of the air as it touches your skin. Let it flow through you, refreshing your body and spirit. Now take a moment to look around you, whether with your eyes open or with the image of nature in your mind's eye. Picture the trees swaying gently in the wind, their leaves fluttering. See the soft clouds in the sky drifting slowly by. Notice the textures around you, the smooth stones on the ground, the rough bark of trees, the softness of the grass beneath you. Let your mind's eye take in all the beauty that surrounds you. Imagine the colors of nature filling you with a sense of peace. The deep greens of the leaves, the bright blue of the sky, the warm golden light of the sun. Picture these colors entering your body, filling you with calm, warmth, and balance. Take a deep breath in, and as you do, imagine you are inhaling the pure energy of nature itself. See this energy as a soft golden light entering your body, filling you with vitality and peace. As you exhale, imagine releasing any stress or worry into the air, letting nature take it away. Breathe in deeply again. Hold it for a moment. And then slowly exhale, releasing tension from the body and mind. the earth, the trees, the wind, nature itself help you to release what no longer serves you. Each breath you take now becomes a part of the natural rhythm of the world. You are breathing in harmony with the earth. Feel the steady pulse of life moving through you, connected with all that surrounds you. As you continue to breathe in harmony with nature, bring to mind a sense of gratitude. Gratitude for this moment, for this connection, for the beauty and peace of the natural world. Perhaps you are grateful for the sun shining on your skin or the cool shade of a tree offering respite. Maybe it's the wind brushing against your face or the serenity of the landscape. Whatever you are grateful for, let that feeling fill your heart. Now allow your body to relax even more deeply into this moment. Feel any remaining tension melt away like water flowing into the earth. You are completely at peace here in this place of stillness and connection. Visualize yourself becoming one with nature. See yourself as part of the landscape, part of the trees, the breeze, the sky. Imagine your breath as part of the rhythm of nature, flowing in and out in perfect harmony with the world around you. Feel the unity between you and all that is. You are not separate from nature. You are a living part of it. As you breathe, feel the peace of the earth, the sky, and the trees filling your being, grounding you deeper into the present moment. Allow this connection to deepen. Stay here for a few more breaths, simply being in the flow of life, in the presence of the natural world. When you feel ready to return, gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the ground beneath you once again, steady and supportive. Slowly begin to bring movement back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch your arms or legs. Take a deep, refreshing breath in and exhale slowly. As you open your eyes, take in the beauty around you with renewed sense of clarity and peace. Know that you can return to this place of stillness and connection whenever you need it. Nature is always there, waiting to welcome you. Namaste.